Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus for GramGenies. Now this bonus and this product launches on the 24th of February at 11 AM Eastern Standard. Now I have an amazing bonus for this, I really do, and I'm going to show that in a moment. I've already started using GramGenies and it works so well. Let me jump up here and I'll show you. So you can see I've set myself as the client, Richard Fairbairn, alongside online success model, and I've set my genies running, and they're already getting traction, getting likes, getting followers, etc. Now, on the 24th, I'll give you a full review of GramGenies. It does work, and it works very well. I wanted to tell you about my bonus today. Now, you can look around, but I guarantee you will not find a better bonus for GramGenies than mine. Now, we have the Instagram 1K growth mentorship. So what we're going to do on that bonus, we're going to help you get your Instagram account off the ground. We're not just going to give you advice, we're going to be hands-on. So let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to give you a full account audit. So we'll look at your account, tell you where you're going wrong. We'll give you an optimization plan, content direction strategy, growth plan. But that's not all. What we're going to do is we're going to get you either your first 1,000 followers, or if you've got 100,000, we're going to get your next 1,000 followers. So we will get you 1,000 followers. And, we'll work with you till that hits that target. Now, how we're going to do that? We're going to do it across my social media. Now, I've got about 50,000 followers, subscribers, likes, and things like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to promote your Instagram account across my platforms. So we will help you get to that first 1,000 followers. Or if you've already got, if you've got 500 users, we'll help you to get to 1,500. And we're not going to stop until you hit that target. So you can look around. I guarantee you will not find a better bonus than that, because GramGenie works with Instagram. We're going to get you the best Instagram account, and we're going to give you those real people so you can start building on that. Now, it's 20 spots only. They will go quick. So if you want this, make sure that you jump in quickly. Now, we've also got more bonuses as well. We've got the Scroll Stopper Studio. This creates Instagram images. Now, it doesn't just create the image. You enter your niche, your target audience, your offer, your goal, what you want with the image, tone, brand colors. You can even add your logo there as well. It will create the image. Okay, it works very well. Now, we're also going to give you the Platinum Edition. This is the white label edition. So we'll give you a full source code. We're going to give you a sales page, actually duplicate sales pages, graphics pack, marketing pack. We'll do the installation. We'll do the rebranding for you. We'll do the hosting setup if you need it. And we'll also do the payment integration. Okay, so that's the Scroll Stopper Studio Platinum Edition. Platform Edition, sorry. Not Platinum. Okay, so great product, getting white label as well. It's got some images there of it as well. Now we've also got tons and tons of other Instagram bonuses. So you can see here some training all about hitting 1,000 followers. We've got Instagram growth hacks. We've got Instagram motivation image packs. We've got Instagram marketing mastery. We've got Instagram marketing masterclass. We've got Insta gains. We've got the Instagram Traffic Playbook, Instagram Traffic Playbook White Label. We've got the video course for that as well. And we've got some other great bonuses here. So as you can see, what an amazing bonus we've got for this. Now, the great thing about this is that real world followers. If you're struggling to get traffic or anything like that, this is perfect. So make sure that you're in the first 20 buyers. Now, we are going to insist that you have to buy the bundle on this for a simple reason being it's a lot of work on our part. Okay. Now, right at the bottom here, we have 11 downloads, never been out before, so make sure that you claim those before the 24th. Okay. Now, there is a webinar going live as well, so make sure, click on any of these buttons, locking GramGenies with my bonus. It'll take you over to the webinar, register on the webinar, buy on the webinar, and you will get my bonus. Okay? Remember, these are real people, real followers, and we, myself and my team, will work with you with your account until you hit those 1,000 followers. Okay? So don't delay, make sure that you lock this in. And watch out for the 24th when this goes live. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.